Thank you very much and welcome to Dairyverse Consulting. My name is Samson Kiarie. I want to let you know something on proper calf layering, and this is out of experience and out of the best practices that we employ at Dairyverse Consulting. So yesterday we had a post on the reasons why our calves fail to grow properly, and one of them is by the fact that they lack enough protein and also mineral elements, the ones we call the trace elements. And we had a question on whether you know that even a trace element like cobalt actually has a major effect on a calf's health, and if it's absent, actually it will have a big effect on their growth, because their rumen won't be well formed. And I can see there are a number of comments following that post, and I would like to answer the questions raised in these comments, and maybe some few other maybe posts that we have. I give it a little dairy meal, but after 2 days I noticed that it was pooping blood. What is the remedy, please? So in this case, when a calf is showing those signs, there is blood in the diarrhea, this shows that the animal has got an illness called coccidiosis. That is as a result of consuming soil, or rather those microorganisms that are found in soil. So there must be somewhere that she's coming in contact with soil, and they are getting the coccidia. So those coccidia are actually disturbing her. So you need to ask your local veterinarian to help you get a proper cure for that. Although I think there are over-the-counter options for the same. So yeah, I don't think it's right to mention the exact name, but go just ask in your nearest agrovet the cure for coccidiosis. The ones used in treating chicks is the same as going to be used in a calf. Go ask a person at the agrovet near you to give you that drug. I think that there is an over-the-counter option for that. So the other question is, what are these products containing the elements, and so that one can avoid or overcome this mess? So in that case, we have a product known as Ndamaplus. You can ask our team to explain to you what it is all about, but I will highlight. So Ndamaplus is a high protein and high energy supplement that is specifically made for calves, and it's made to help the calves be able to overcome post-weaning stress, be able to get all these trace elements that they require together with the protein. Is actually made in a way that you use that for a whole month, and therefore you'll be sure that your calf wouldn't be suffer from any of these deficiencies that we are talking about. For a whole month, we recommend use of it for 90 days to help the ones that are, that have just been weaned off, be able to, to be used to the environment, the new environment where they have to fend for themselves, and they need to balance this with the growth rate. So once you use that, it will help you in a very great way. So then the other thing, or the other comment is, yes, since we took animals from paddocks to zero-grazing, we don't feed what they need, but what we think they need. Animals were to graze, not feed. Yes, that's true. Although in the current setup, of course, in our current setup, we can't be able to afford paddocking, extensive grazing, because again we need higher outputs, because as much as there is a negative side to what we are talking about zero grazing, there is also the positive side, and the positive side is that you get more milk because you are in control of everything. So and this is the reason why we have come up with such products to help you be able to meet the demands of these cattle. Yes, we are taking that ideal scenario, making it practical. You can be able to apply it again at a very economical rate. So for calves, use Ndamaplus. For milking cows that are over 3 months, since they calve down, use Booster Plus. For the ones that are close to giving birth, so that you can prepare them well for high yields, ensure that you are giving them Transpro 18 days before calving and 36 days after calving. Just in case you have Heifers that are actually affected by this thing that our friend is talking about, ensure that you are giving them Fertility Plus to help them counter delayed onset of heat. So then I think the other person says thank you for the information. I was looking for this. Okay, thank you very much for following us. So we continue asking you to follow us, and you'll be learning more on what we are doing. We are here to give you the best of the best. We have been in the practice for 8 years now. Yes, and in this whole journey, we have been working on all sizes of projects. We know what works, what doesn't work, and we are committed to give you exactly what is going to work. And this is testament through what we are doing in this product. And I know those who have used the products can attest to this fact. If we tell you yes, the animal is going to increase milk yield, of course that will happen. Then for the ones that didn't have heat signs, of course it's gonna work. Yeah, we make sure that we work to give you the best of the best. So how should we go about this? So we should go about this in this way. So ensure that you are giving her the right amount of milk. So we have got an article on our website where you can learn how the feeding quantities. Ensure that you are giving them the appropriate amounts of milk. Then introduce feeds at the right time. Continue giving them what they need. Then there is someone who is asking restoration journey sneak peek literature would help a lot. Okay, so it's very simple. It's now simplified to just 2 things. You give us or you tell us the kind of an animal you want to restore. Now you see our product Booster Plus for the cattle that have been milked for more than 3 months. So you only need Booster Plus for 54 days. You'll be able to realize the results you used to realize with the regular restore program for 90 days. Our expert do not have to come to your farm to execute the program. You'll be able to do it on your own. We are giving you the power to do it and the tools. So you just need Booster Plus to help your cow, regardless of the situation they are in. If they are Heifers, no heat signs and all that, Restore is the program to revive health, increase milk yield, and counter delayed onset of heat and silent heat in dairy cattle. So we have these products that are solving these problems completely in 54 days. You see, it's just the same case that our vet could come to your place, go through this program with you, but now is simplified. So we also offer you the support on how to go about your feeding, and actually what happens with Restore, it's a very sustainable way of going about transforming your herd. Many of people have tried so many things, but I know you haven't tried Restore. Just try Restore Plus today. So you only need to reach out to our team, explain to them what is actually disturbing your farm, and it's gonna be okay. So then I think I've answered all those questions. There's something else. If you fail to steam up your cow properly, of course they will not produce more milk, and you do that through use of Transpro 18 days before calving and 36 days after calving. Then you see your calf pen. affects your calf's growth. And how does it do that? It affects that through exposing the calf to stresses and stressors in the environment. This actually disturbs the calf. So how are you supposed to go that about that? I have a link in my description, in the description of this video. Please follow that. You'll be able to learn on how to go about the same. Also attach the link to the previously mentioned program, and maybe I could check whether there are there are any other questions nearby. So I know we also posted on wear and tear, of course. Even when a car's tire is used for a long period of time, it develops what we call wear and tear, depreciation. Of course, is as a result of the effort, or rather the output that you are looking at. So what happens with cattle in this case? So when they are producing more milk, of course they are actually using a lot of protein, a lot of energy, minerals, trace elements, everything. So if you continue doing that, exploiting them, but you aren't giving them the input, the correct input, of course you'll be having challenges, right, left and center, so you need to work on their health, use the right protocols when it comes to feeding during milking, feeding during dry stage, feeding of calves, how to go about the heifers. All this information is available on our blog, is now also available on our web, rather YouTube channel. So make sure that you follow our insight on our channel. We are going to give you accurate information on how to go about the same. We know there are so many misleading ideas out there, but we are here to dispel all of them. We won't spare any of them. We are here and committed to ensure that you get the best results. I know you might be frustrated, but let me tell you, dairy farming is a very promising business. Don't quit. Thank you.